how are you all doing? You all are welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well and you're doing great. Don't mind my face, don't mind everything. This is a quick video, okay? I just got the order that I placed and yeah, I was surprised. I did not even expect it, but they just delivered anyway. So I decided to kind of do this quick video, okay, to show you guys what it is. So if you want to see what this is, stay put, don't go away. But before we hop into that, if you've not subscribed to the Renders family, please, I'm begging you, please do consider subscribing to our channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to notify you whenever we upload a new video. So let's just check what this is all about. Okay guys, I don't know how to put it. Will I say it's a trial and error? I just ordered this, I was not expecting it and it just came. So it is a tumble dryer and it's similar thing that we had in Belgium. So I'm going to unbox it, or will I say, because it's already, you can see everything, no need to hide it. So I'm going to open it so that you guys can see what is inside, how it looks like, and the compartment and stuff like that. First of all is Bosch. I love this product because whenever I want to buy something, I like to go for the quality. I like to go for the best. It might be expensive, but it's worth it. So this is what they wrote on it. Please note, in the event of transport damage, please unpack the appliance immediately. Damages must be confirmed in writing by the supplier, otherwise no compensation, blah blah blah. So it's my mistake, they've left already. I did not unpack it. So let me see how it goes. I asked them to help me to fix it, but they said no, that it's kind of pretty simple to do that. So let's see. See here already I have scratches here, which is not supposed to be. So sit here as well. Anyway, I have the washing clothes. If I open the backyard, you will see a lot of clothes there. They've not been getting dry when it's supposed to dry because I don't have dryer. It's rainy season, it says winter, everywhere is cold, it takes time for the clothes to dry. So I decided to go for this. So let's see. This is what the back looks like. I don't think I should remove this, and this I'm going to leave it this way. The only thing it requires is to plug. This is the plug here, and already there is a space made at the back there. There's already space there to plug it. So all I need to do is to plug it and check if it's working before I can properly fix it, okay? So I'm going to check it out before anything. So this is how it looks like, okay? It's Bosch, and why I went for this one, I can't remember if it's Samsung or Bosch that we have in Belgium. Here, it stores the water instead of getting everywhere humid and kind of causing some, what do they call it, on the wall. This takes all the water. You have to remove it regularly, okay? As the clothes are drying, the water that are coming out, instead of going into the edge, circulating within the wall or something, it goes here. What you do is to bring it out, open it, and get rid of the water and fix it back. Please don't mind the way I'm breathing, okay? And yeah, this is how it looks like. And these are the pipes, the manuals. I don't know what this is, I don't know, but I have to check how I can fix this, okay? Yes, I have turned to man, I have turned to woman. So whatever that comes to the house, I see to everything, so I fix it. So bear with me, and yeah, let's see how it goes. It's off already. Yeah, it's on. You can see. So from here, it have, if you want to iron dry, kind of you want to dry clothes and it looks like you've ironed it, you go here. You want to dry shirt, you want to super quick, at 40 degrees, and the wool finish, depending on the texture or material of the clothes, that you can kind of fix it. That is what makes me like this, and for the fact that it doesn't, the the water or that comes from the cloth that you wash doesn't go into the air and circulate within the wall, kind of causing I don't know what they call it. Please, if you know, just say it, or I will write it under at the below of the video there. So instead of that, is one thing that made me this thing. The water goes here. You can regularly, my son cannot, he likes to do it while we're in Belgium. He can always check and take the water away. So right now I have my my tumble dryer. I'm going to dry clothes instead of spreading it outside or using hanger to put them for it to dry. So it's easy, no clothes littering everywhere. So this is it. So I'm going to fix it back, and so that you can so I'm going to fix it back so that you guys can see how it works before I can, you know, go ahead to put clothes inside. So guys, I have fixed it. We've managed to put it. Is like I said, it's Bosch. It's self-cleaning condenser, and it's very, very energy saving, because when I went to buy it, I saw the ones that are 250, no, 300, 250 plus, but compared to the energy saving, when you calculate it, you see that you are saving in less than, let's say in a year, in a 2-3 years, you have the money that you saved, you have used it to buy, you have covered the money that you have used to buy this. That was why I went for it, because I know that some people saying that, why is she buying it? It's so expensive and all that. I know what I'm doing. I'm not a fool. So the guys don't mind me. So this is this. It's A++. You can see that it's very, very energy saving. Some of them are on A, B, and A+. So I decided to go for it. It's a bit higher, but it's worth it. Okay. So this is it. It's working. I'm happy. So like I said, it gives you everything that you want here, how you want to dry, what kind of clothes you want to dry and stuff like that. And you open it, and again, it's 8 kilo, okay? It's 8 kg. You can load up to 8 kg inside it and stuff like that. So this is it. How do you all see this? How do you all find this video? It's a quick one and I'm talking faster. Please pardon me. I'm trying to do this so that I'll run off for school runs, okay? So if you like this video and if you like this, please do give it a thumb up, and if you've not subscribed to our channel, please consider hitting on that subscription button right down there, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to notify you whenever we post a new video. The kids are not here to talk to you today. They have gone to school, so I'll go and pick them shortly. Yes, thank you so much for watching. I'm so happy that I got this. I love Bosch. You know that I love Bosch. I love Bosch and every other quality product. I love quality. I go for quality. If you ask me, I will say yes, you go for it. It's worth it. Thank you so much for watching, and ciao. I'll catch you up later. Bye bye for now. Bye.